In this video, you will learn how to customize your sub-org environment. Once your account is created, you will receive an email which will guide you to activate your Command Center account. Once you create your login credentials, you can successfully log into the portal. First item you will see once you're in your organization is your talk group labeled incomplete. Click on the talk group so you can give it a name. Go to the bottom left of your screen and click on the tab with the pencil icon. Then you press Save. Next, you will need to configure your talk group regions. You can do this by selecting the circle region or the square region. By expanding, zooming in, or just simply dragging your circle to whatever region you wish to cover. Always keep in mind when configuring your talk group regions, your talk group size. You can also label your talk groups region by going to the tab, region name, and save. You could do more than one. At the same time, keeping in mind again your talk group size. Next, you would just need to configure your devices to enable them to go into your talk group. You simply do this by clicking on the devices icon on the upper right-hand side of your screen. Go to your devices and just simply drag them to the talk group. And click on Save. By doing these few steps, you have successfully configured your Command Center.